Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 8 student on the based on Assignment 3, and this is the second part of the Assignment 3 class. Let's move our today's topic. Dear students, the second question is the previous class we have already discussed about the first question, why the gravitational acceleration different in different parts of the world. Explain. The second question we will discuss today, explain why your mass on the earth is 50 kg but weight decreases on the moon. And third question too we will discuss today, take some water in a shiny glass, now throw a stone in the glass and do the followings. First one, try to see the stone directly from the top of the glass. Second one, try to look at the stone a little bit obliquely. Third one, try to see from the below of the water level in the glass what happened in the three stages and why. Explain them. Dear students, for solving the second question answer, we need lesson 5, which is you have in your book page number 73 and page number 74. Your answer is you will get from your textbook from lesson 5, the relation between mass and weight. The question is, explain why your weight mass on the earth is 50 kg but weight decreases on the moon. We know the amount of materials in an object is its mass. It is a constant parameter which does not change due to the change of location of any height above the earth. If an astronaut mass is 75 kg, it will be remain unchanged when he is in the surface of the earth, on the surface of the moon, or in the orbit of the moon or earth. The amount of material by which an astronaut built does not change due to the change of position, and that is why the mass remain unchanged. Since the mass of an object is constant, its weight change due to change in the value of g. Dear students, from here your answer will be start. This is the answer of question 2. Now come to this page. Again I am saying, since the mass of an object is constant, its weight change due to the change of value g. Because we know the weight of an object is equal to W is equal to M into G. As he go more and more above the surface, the earth, the weight of an object become less and less. And the reason for which the value of the acceleration due to gravity changes are also the causes of the changes in the weight of an object. The weight of an object is not an fundamental parameter. For example, an object may have weight at one place and may not have weight at another place. At the center of the earth, the value of acceleration due to gravity is 0, and therefore the weight of object there must be 0. At a distant space where there is no gravitational force, the weight of an object must be 0. The value of acceleration due to gravitational force at the surface of the moon is, dear students, that will be 1/6. Says compared to that and at the surface of the earth, you can find out the weight of 1 kilogram of materials at the surface of the moon but about 1.163 Newton. The weight of an object at a location depends on a distance. If you point of the measurement from the center of the earth, if the distance is increased, the force of gravity due to earth at the point decreases. As a result, the weight of an object there decreases. At the surface of the earth, the weight of mass 1 kg is 9.8 Newton, but at the distant point from the earth, its weight decreases with the increase of distance. Dear student, up to this much is so much important for your question answer, and from these two para you have to select the important line as per your question demand, and you have to add this math with your question answer. Then given that mass on the earth is 50 kg, that will be my mass. My mass on the earth is 50 kg. We know the weight of any object is equal to W equal to M into G. Here W is equal to weight. Mass of me is M equal to 50 kg. And acceleration due to gravity G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Then my weight on the earth is equal to 50 multiplied with 9.8 is equal to 490 Newton. The value of acceleration due to gravity due to the gravitational force at the surface of the moon is 1/6 compared to that and the surface of the earth. So my weight on the moon is 490 Newton multiplied with 1/6, that will be 81.67 Newton. Dear students, that will be your weight on the moon, and then you have to give the conclusion line as per the question demand. Now come to the question answer of 3. The water was taken in a clear shiny glass and a stone was thrown into it. The stone went to the bottom of the glass in the water. Observation. First one, attempts were made to see the stone directly from the top of the glass. The stone can be seen through the water from above, but the stone seems to be slightly upwards, including the bottom of the glass. This is the distance of the bottom, that is the distance of the bottom of the glass seems to be less than the actual distance. The cause. In the above experiment, light from the bottom of the glass which stone reaches to our eyes after refraction. Due to refraction, light bend in passing from the denser medium water into the rarer medium air and create a virtual image of the stone. Dear student, here you have to give a picture. You can follow your book's picture which is given in the example experiment of with a coin. You can replace the coin with the stone. Now come to the second point, that is 2. The attempts were made to look at the stone a little bit obliquely. The stone can be seen slightly above the bottom of the glass. If we observe carefully, we will see that the stone is appearing the smaller, thicker and raised upward. Cause, if it appears because of refraction, as light is refracted from the denser medium water into the rarer medium air and enters our eyes, every part of the emerged stone, every part of emerged light rays, stone is raised upward. As a result, the stone appears lifted upwards and reduced in length. Now come to the last observation. Attempts were made to see from the below of the water level in the glass. In this case, the stone looks a little bigger in size, cause as the amount of light incident angle is 90 degrees for viewing along the middle of the glass water. The change of refraction angle cannot be noticed. But since the splitting surface, that will be interface also. In splitting you can use, in place of splitting you can use interface. Interface surface of the glass is not parallel but curved like a concave lens. When light comes out of the denser medium to rarer medium, the curved interface of the glass form an image of the stone somewhat forwards with the main focus for the refraction of light. As a result, if the refracted rays of the light backwards, the stone looks a bit bigger. In conclusion, the reasons of seeing different effects and scenes in three cases is the refraction of light. Such different position and images of the objects are formed for the refraction of light through two different densities of medium. Dear student, your submission date is 6th December 2020 of this assignment. Dear students, I have provided the answer of question number 3, but you can't copy it. Just follow it and make the answer by yourself and write the assignment so clearly. In the first page, with the topic, you will write the chapter's name, both chapter 7 and chapter 11's name, and with it you can write question answer. Question answer from the gravitation and earth and the chapter 11's name is light, that is the topic, and you will write the index, that means the content list, and you have to copy the all question and write the assignment so clearly and properly. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.